Hi, I'm Chris Rodinas, Research Analyst for IT Creations. Today we'll be looking at Lenovo's high-density RD650 ThinkServer. This 2U server offers loads of storage for data center applications, data analytics, and video streaming. The RD650 smaller 1U sibling, the RD550, offers similar performance, but only a third of the storage capacity. Featuring an extremely flexible platform with multiple chassis options, the RD650 is perfect for a wide range of business-critical applications. Released in September of 2014, the RD650 supports high-performance computing with Intel's Xeon E5 2600 V3 processors with up to 18 cores, DDR4 memory, and 8 PCIe expansion slots. DDR4 memory also provides up to 50% more bandwidth and a 50% reduction in power consumption compared to the previous generation with DDR3 memory. Up to 768 gigabytes can be installed in the two-processor configuration using 32 gigabyte LRDIMM modules at 2133 megatransfers per second. Of course, higher capacity DDR4 DIMMs of 64 gigabyte and 128 gigabyte will be available soon and boost the stated memory capacity accordingly. Both RDIMM and LRDIMM modules are supported. Reliability is enhanced with ECC memory, hot swap drives, redundant power, and redundant cooling fans. The system is designed to operate reliably and continuously at temperatures up to 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly reducing cooling costs. The vertical red lines on the hard drive trays and the red squeeze tabs on the fans indicate hot swappable components. Same for the redundant power supplies on the back. All other removable parts are indicated with blue touch points and can only be removed when the system is powered off. The RD650 supports SAS, SATA, and two optional enterprise-class M.2 solid-state drives mounted to the system board. Administrators can also install an optional SD card for fast hypervisor booting. Power is provided by two redundant 550-watt, 750-watt, or 1100-watt 80-plus Platinum PSUs. 750-watt 80-plus titanium and a 1600-watt plus platinum PSU are available for data center applications. Three basic chassis models give administrators options when choosing a system. A 12 by 3.5-inch drive server offers a maximum storage capacity of 74.4 terabytes. A hybrid model with 9 by 3.5-inch and 8 by 2.5-inch drives, two of which are accessible from the back of the system, offers tiered storage. This is a preferred configuration for vSAN, virtual storage area networks, and virtualized ZFF appliances. Reliable high-capacity HDs can be used for storage, while applications and high-access data is stored on dynamic RAM or flash storage for significantly faster speeds. This configuration provides an impressive 63.2 terabytes of storage. A third version can be outfitted with 24 by 2.5-inch drives for maximum performance, but less storage at 30.8 terabytes. There are several AnyRAID controllers to choose from, supporting a full range of RAID options. Lenovo's AnyRAID controller mounts just behind the hard drives, preserving your PCIe slots. An optional flash module mounts on the AnyRAID controller and provides additional cache memory. Installing an optional Ethernet module provides 4 additional ports accessible from the back panel, again without the use of a PCIe slot. Lenovo's AnyBay design allows for multiple storage types in the same drive bay, including front-accessible PCIe SSDs. However, you'll need an optional drive adapter. The integrated onboard ASPEED AST2400 graphics controller provides video support for the DisplayPort connectors and 16 megabyte video memory cache. Two riser cards with 2 or 3 expansion slots each can fit up to 3 full-size cards. Located between the expansion cards, you'll find the optional iKVM and Trusted Platform module, which is a security chip that's only available on certain models. Installing the OS and drivers on the RD650 is easy using Lenovo's ThinkServer Deployment Manager, or TDM. The TDM can be accessed through the BIOS when you boot the system and select Launch TDM. The TDM simplifies OS installation, volume selection, configuring RAID, BIOS settings, and updating the firmware. Partitioning the drives and RAID options are handled by Lenovo's Storage Manager. Lenovo's ThinkServer System Manager, or TSM, is a management chip integrated onto the system board for remote management of the server. As long as the system is connected to a network and power supply, the TSM module can provide system information even if the system is off. TSM Premium activates advanced management features. Other management programs include Diagnostics, Energy Manager, Power Planner, and the operating system-based platform update tool to update the firmware. On the rear panel, you'll find 2 redundant power supplies, 1 DisplayPort connector, 1 RJ45 Ethernet connector for system management, 1 serial connector, 2 USB 3.0 connectors, PCIe slots 1 through 8, and 2 2.5-inch drive bays. And any fabric network connection slot supports a choice of Ethernet NIC, Fiber Channel HBA, or CNA. This is another great feature from Lenovo that saves your PCIe slots for other external devices. Depending on your choice of chassis, the front panel may include a network status LED indicating any fabric network connectivity, system health LED, power on button, pull-out information card, 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drive bays depending on your chassis configuration. DisplayPort connector available on some models, 2 USB 2.0 connectors, optional optical drive bay, and an optional internal tape drive on some models. With 3 basic chassis configurations and the generous expansion slots, the RD650 is suitable for just about any workload. The latest DDR4 technology and E5 processors, combined with Lenovo's exceptional cooling system and simple management tools, add to the affordability of the system, increasing performance and reducing operational costs. This system can adapt to your changing needs as your business grows and provide top-of-the-line performance for years to come. We hope you enjoyed our review of Lenovo's RD650 ThinkServer. If you found our video informative, like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, just post them in the comments section below. Next week, we'll be reviewing Dell's PowerEdge R430, so stay tuned to IT Creations TV. I'm Chris Rodinas. Thanks for watching.